Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we'll be discussing the Nike SB Dunk Lows, this time in the white gum colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Today we'll be talking about the Nike SB Dunk Low in the white gum colorway. If you are looking for an amazing color scheme that will go with pretty much everything in your wardrobe, this may be right down your alley. So we'll start off with the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this. Really great color combination of this gum bottom and black and white color blocking. And then we'll conclude with how well these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. Pretty much the majority of the upper of this sneaker is completely covered in this high quality tumbled white leather. So if you're wondering how good the quality is on this, I would say they really just hit this one on the dot. As far as the laces go, they've added just simple plain white laces with some black lace tips, and then Nike and the swoosh mark logo are in white. And then we've got subtle hints of black accents for the Nike SB and swoosh logo on the top of the tongue. As far as the rest of the tongue goes, it's completely covered in white as well, but in a nylon material. Let's take a look at those first details, then move along to the side panels. Wrapping around to the side panels, they're giving us yet again a ton of that high quality tumbled leather, and then the swooshes are covered in a smooth black leather. Wrapping around to the back of the heel, we've got Nike embroidered in black, and the lateral side is also in that same exact color blocking of white tumbled leather for the underlays, and then black for the overlays on that swoosh mark. The interior is in black and white for the insole, and the sneaker is then completed with a simplistic, simple white midsole and gum bottom with a little hint of white in between the middle there. All right, let's take a look at those details, then move into sizing. As far as size and fit goes, I always highly recommend sizing at least half a size up in Nike SB Dunks, just because we are getting that additional padding in the tongue as well in the back of the heel. If you do have flatter, wider feet, that could differentiate for my own, since we do have different types of feet. So do take that into consideration when deciding on what size range will work best for you. Now let's jump into styling. Of course, like I said previously, this is such an amazing color combination that really is an easy to style colorway because the majority of the sneaker is white. So I kept it pretty simple with the first look. I wore a sheer button-down black floral long sleeve blouse with some patchwork denim shorts. second look, I went all black with a nice ribbed dress. Black and white color combinations are also really trendy right now, so whether or not you decide to wear all black, mix and match white and black, or just all white, it will all work perfectly with this color scheme. Then for the last and final look, I wore a white ribbed bandeau top with some light denim pants. As far as the resale goes, these retailed at $110 and they're currently going between $140 to $180, which makes sense since this is just a great colorway. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all next episode.